Tonsillitis is the infection in your throat which is very disturbing. Your tonsils acts as a filter, preventing germs that could otherwise enter your airways and cause infection. They also make antibodies to fight infection, but sometimes they get overwhelmed by the bacteria and viruses. This can make them swollen and inflamed badly. The tonsils are sometimes even severe enough to make it hard to breathe through your mouth. Tonsillitis is common in children. For them, it can happen once in a while or come back again and again in a short interval period. There are three types of tonsils. Acute tonsils. These symptoms usually last 3 or 4 days but can last up to 2 weeks. Recurrent tonsils. This is when you get tonsils several times in a year. Chronic tonsils. This is when you have a long-term tonsil infection. Now in this video, let's see what are the home remedies can be done to treat or subside tonsil pain. Salt water gargling. Gargling with warm salt water can help soothe the sore throat and pain caused by tonsillitis. In some cases, it can also reduce inflammation and may even help to treat infections. Take about half teaspoon of salt in about half a cup of warm water. Stir it well. Now gargle through the mouth for several seconds and then spit it out and rinse it with regular water. Warm tea with raw honey. Drinking warm tea can help to reduce discomfort. Raw honey often added to the tea has strong antibacterial properties which may help to treat the infection causing the tonsillitis. Popsicles. Cold foods can be highly effective in treating pain, inflammation and swelling that often comes with tonsils. Frozen food like ice cream can be particularly helpful to treat children who can't use other home remedies. Humidifiers. Humidifiers can help to relieve the sore throat if the air is dry or you are experiencing dry mouth due to tonsils. Dry air can irritate the throat, so using humidifiers can help soothe discomfort in the throat by adding moisture back into the air. Cool mist humidifiers are most beneficial, especially when the viruses are the causes for the tonsillitis. Avoid eating hard foods. For people with tonsils, eating hard or sharp foods can be uncomfortable and even very painful. Hard foods may scratch the throat, leading to further irritation and inflammation. Avoid foods like chips, crackers, dry cereal, raw apples and carrots, etc.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.